local in Seattle. I'm your host, Kelly Hansen. Thank you for clicking on this video. And as always, if you like it, hit that like and subscribe. What am I doing today? I am actually on a neighborhood tour of Pioneer Square. If you are from Seattle, you probably know this neighborhood and love it. I love the history, the restaurants, everything. And if you're new to town, you'll definitely want to visit after this video, hopefully. And this is a giveaway video, so you're going to want to watch the entire video, and I'm going to tell you how to enter at the end. Now, back to the task at hand. I am visiting 3 restaurants and businesses in the neighborhood, and we're starting off with one you might have heard of. They are known for their donuts and chef's kiss. Let's go. Taste test time. I am starting with this raspberry filled jam, fresh dough that they make every single morning. It looks amazing. Absolutely delicious. I've called these little pillows of heaven before, and they truly are. So that's 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is their pistachio one. Loving this one so far. They're definitely right, it's not overly sweet. This is usually a lot of people's favorite. It is the chocolate marshmallow. This was my favorite before I tried the pistachio, but I think I'm gonna still stick with the pistachio. This is a close second though. The hits keep coming, people. Now we are trying the lemon curd. Very zesty, so good. Last but certainly not least, the vanilla one. Super standard, can't go wrong.
Very delicious.
Let's go to our second location, which is actually trying out a clothing rental company. So here's to hoping I can still fit in some styles, and I can't wait to share this business with you. So it's literally walking distance right behind us. I'm actually at a local clothing rental company, Armoire, and if you haven't heard of this place, you're going to after this video. And this is what I promised. This is the giveaway element of the video. The lucky winner actually gets to try out this service. They get 7 items for free for 3 months. So stay tuned for the entire video so you can find out how to enter. I heard you grabbed a few items for me, so walk me through what we're doing.
So you have a lot going on in your life. Congratulations for all the exciting things that are happening. I heard that you're going to the Emmys, you're going on vacation, you've got work days, and so we grabbed a bunch of things to take you along your busy life.
I love it. Okay, so what did you grab me today?
So, for your trip to the Emmys, and by the way, we are so proud of you for being nominated 4 times.
Oh, thank you.
I think this color will be amazing on you. This is a women-owned designer called Yumi Kim. The brand is actually named after her dog. She does incredibly feminine silhouettes with really bold, bright colors. This is the ultimate vacation set in my personal opinion. So this is 2 women-owned brands. Love My Reality is a Black women-owned brand, and Gravitas is an Asian women-owned brand. This is the ultimate short set. We want you to feel your best when you're at work. So this Nora Gardner dress is one of my favorites. It's got that bright color, incredible silhouette. The neckline is just so you feel super confident. You can run around and do all the stuff you do. I notice you carrying your bag and your camera and all that stuff, and this dress will go right along with you for those busy days.
Okay, I am so excited to try on all of these. You absolutely crushed it, first of all. And I can't wait to, I don't know, have a little dress up try on set. So
love it.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And here we go, people. 3 looks coming in hot.
Ta-da!
I feel like I'm ready for the Emmys. I am obsessed with this color. It is so comfortable, and for a gala dress, that is so hard to find. And I don't know, maybe blue will be good luck this year. Here's to hoping.
Hi, how's it going? Come on in.
Good, I'm Kelly.
Hi, so nice to meet you. I'm Heather.
We kind of first and foremost say that we are a community kitchen here in Seattle, and we provide a free training program for individuals with barriers to opportunity. And then we host a lot of Seattle experiences here as well, and then sell some really fun pastry products.
it feels so good to know that the work that we set out to do, that thing that we were hoping to fix to allow people who had a passion in the baking and pastry industry and didn't know how to follow it or didn't have the resources, they were able to go through this program, get the training and skills necessary, and now they're going off to a job that will hopefully be just the beginning of a really amazing career in the industry. So we're starting with what we call the perfect chocolate chip cookie. And that was the cookie that was inspired by the first thing that our students learn. And it's just this really delicious chocolate chip cookie recipe. We put both dark chocolate and milk chocolate in this, and then we also put flaky sea salt on top. So really delicious with that. And then we have our reverse chocolate chip cookie. So it's like really the reverse of a classic chocolate chip cookie. So it's this really deep, rich cocoa dough with gold chocolate, which is really hard to get in grocery stores, and a dark chocolate as well. It's super delicious.
Yum! I cannot take credit for this because I literally had nothing to do with the recipe or cooking it, but it's as easy as that. You just pop it in the oven and then out comes the most perfect cookie ever. Oh my gosh, I am so excited to try this. That is 10 out of 10, and it's not even fair to say 10 out of 10. I give this a 15 out of 10. Truly perfect. I almost want to buy a bag and then make them for my family and take credit for it, which is not what you're supposed to do, but they are truly that good. I really don't know what to say. You're just gonna watch me eat this whole cookie. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, if you liked it, hit that like and subscribe. And you're probably here for the giveaway information, obviously. So to enter to win this amazing giveaway thanks to Armoire, write in the comments why you deserve this amazing membership for 3 months, 7 items for free for 3 months. Or if you don't want to nominate yourself, maybe nominate someone that deserves it. So without further ado, good luck, and I will see you in the next adventure. Bye.